proposed electrical configuration involving a utility pad-mounted transformer feeding a 1200 amps current transformer cabinet without overcurrent devices, and then feeding an existing 800 amps panel and a new 600 amps panel 600 feet away with both piles grounded as separate services, is incorrect and violates the National Electrical Code. NEC Section 250.5 C1 states that a grounding electrode system shall be installed at each service. NEC Section 250.24 A1 states that the grounding electrode system shall be connected to the grounded conductor and to the grounding terminals of the service equipment. NEC Section 250.24 A4 states if a common grounding electrode system is used, it shall be connected to the grounding terminals of all electric equipment on the premises. Firstly, the proposed configuration has two separate service entrances connected to the same utility pad-mounted transformer, but grounded to separate grounding electrodes. This violates NEC Section 250.24 A4, which requires a common grounding electrode system for all electric equipment on the premises. Secondly, a 1200 amps current transformer cabinet lacks overcurrent devices, meaning conductors from the transformer to the cabinet and from the cabinet to the two panels are unprotected against overcurrents. Thirdly, with the proposed configuration, both the 800 amps panel and the 600 amps panel could be simultaneously energized from the same transformer, creating a double feed scenario where current flows back from one panel to another, potentially causing safety hazards. A correct configuration requires these steps. Firstly, install a 1200 amps main breaker in the 1200 amps current transformer cabinet. Secondly, connect the grounded conductor from the transformer to the grounding electrode system at the current transformer cabinet. Thirdly, connect the grounding terminals of both the 800 amps panel and the 600 amps panel to the grounding electrode system at the current transformer cabinet. Fourthly, run a single 600 amps feeder from the 1200 amps main breaker to the 600 amps panel. Fifthly, ground the 600 amps panel in accordance with NEC Section 250.24 A4. This revised configuration provides a single grounding electrode system for both service entrances and protects all conductors from overcurrents, ensuring NEC compliance and improved safety.